that good? Penny is getting watermelon from Auntie Jen and her cousin Rachel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like that look.
Oh, that's too big a piece.
Is she
Mine
breathing?
was a tiny little piece.
I'm not used to it. Remember how Gabe used to do that? She okay?
Charlotte?
She's okay.
You okay? You want to just suck on it again? Because she took a little piece off when she sucked on it before. That's what I don't like.
Hey, Joshua.
Can you suck on it?
Hi, Winnie.
Yum, 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 yum.
She likes that.
Ooh. Yeah, see, I don't want
Kind of big.
Or maybe like kind of go in and out with
Mama,
it.
you're missing all day.
That's okay. She's gonna get a bath later anyways.
Oh,
No more. I don't want to do this anymore. She's taking little pieces off.
Okay.
Let me have
that's
that.
kind of a big piece,
I
right?
know. Got it out.
I think she ate it though. Hold on.
No, I got it out.
Oh, you got it out?
Yeah.
Point well taken.
Yeah.
She's biting pieces off.
Can you squish it? You just twist it in your fingers and put the mash in there? No?
Let me try it.
Yeah.
Here, you want some on the blankie?
Penny, is that num num num?
She's sitting up.
Yeah, that's good. That one's done.
Okay. She can bite the pieces off with her little gums.
Yeah, she can. She's strong.
Yeah.
Are we learning?
I think we're learning. Gotta really mash it up this way.
I'm making really tiny pieces. What's that? Is that your binky? Hold her up. Okay, let her. She wants to suck on her binky now. Other way around.
She'll turn it.
She'll figure it out. Are we done with the watermelon?
Thanks. Thank you, Auntie Jen.
Well done. You're welcome, pumpkin pie.
Okay. Bye bye.